what are the ads you'll suggest for a new brand to scale the brand without making more ad spend? I would suggest you to not look at ads as making more ad spend. I would suggest you to understand that marketing is an expense. And marketing is an expense on your profit and loss spreadsheet. Either you're going to spend money on marketing, either you're going to spend time through word of mouth on marketing, you are going to spend something on it. And when it comes down to you want to scale, not only that you want to start ads, but you want to scale the brand, really important is going to be that having the hypothesis, it's okay, it's great, but just because you had a hypothesis, you have to realize that's a hypothesis, that I am going to be able to create more demand, to increase more market share, to create more sales with these ads or not. So this is why I'm saying that we have to be cognizant of the fact that we can grow a brand, but it takes money to make money. So you cannot see it like, how can I spend the least amount possible to make the most by not growing enough?